Hey, how's it going? It's Darryl Drake here, Global Director with Total Life Changes. I'm excited because I'm one of the first people that you're actually going to be introduced to. Now, I don't know if you're here because you're just trying to evaluate Total Life Changes or you just got started and you're wondering how to move forward. I'll tell you, TLC has been in business since 1996. And I bring that up simply to let you know that, we're not a fly-by-night company. We're a debt-free company. We have multiple corporate offices throughout the country and even outside the country. Our main headquarters is in Ira, Michigan, right? And hey, listen, we are out here looking for more brand ambassadors like yourself to get the word out about what it is that we have going on. So you may have been seeing, this little bottle here floating around. This is our liquid vitamin, our NutriBurst. And the reason why you've been seeing a lot of it is because, quite frankly, it is the best thing off the shelf right now, right? More now than ever before, people are becoming more health conscious and they want to put the best of everything into their body. And so our NutriBurst here has, 72 minerals, 10 vitamins, 19 amino acids, 12 whole foods, all the C vitamins, the B vitamins. And the reality of it is it's going to absorb up to 99% straight into your bloodstream, which means you're going to feel it immediately. And so you're going to be able to be in position to not only take this product for yourself, but share it with other people that you know online, offline. You simply have them to click the link in your bio. You simply direct them to your website. And every time they make a purchase of this bottle, you're going to make $20. Now, you may have seen this product here, right? You may have seen this product floating around the internet as well. And what I love so much about this is that it is our CBD Infused Detox Tea. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It is the world-class ISO detox tea infused with CBD. Now, I won't go into the entire backstory of this product, but just know this. This product is about a 2-week supply. It's going to go in and detox your body at the cellular level. It wants to really just go into your body, not really harshly, but go into your body and just take all the nasty toxins out of your body. Whether you live in a major city and you're inhaling all the toxins or you're eating any type of animal product, what this tea here wants to do, it wants to go into your body and take out all of the nasty stuff that's in there and really have you operating at the highest level possible. It's also known as our lose 5 pounds in 5 days tea because honestly, the byproduct of detoxing is you may start to lose weight. We have so many stories of people losing 10, 15, 20, 30 pounds, not even needing to go to the gym, just simply taking this product. And so you will be in position now to simply direct people to your website. When they make a purchase of this product, you're going to earn a $20 commission. Now, this product here has CBD in it, very low levels of it, so it's not going to show up in your bloodstream for those people that, get drug tested at your job. But for those people that rather be safe than sorry, we also have our original detox tea. And the great thing about this tea here is, it actually comes in sachets, right? So does that, but this is pretty cool because you'll be able to rip this this packet here. You put it in about a 6 to 12 ounce bottle of water. You shake it up. That one there tastes like lemonade. This one here is just our original tea. Get straight to the point, right? But it's still going to detox your body at the cellular level. And this is about a 2-week supply as well. And so we also have another product that actually just got released. It is our raspberry flavored tea. That again does not have any hemp in it, any CBD, and it's gonna still detox your body at the cellular level, and it's gonna help you to lose 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, because hey, listen, as you're detoxing your body, all of that stuff is coming out. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it wants to just really get your body at the highest level possible. Now listen, CBD is, is one of the, it's kind of like the new kid on the block. It's been around, but more times than not, people don't even really know what it is. They're still trying to figure out if it's marijuana, right? Well, I'll be the first to tell you that it is not marijuana. It is not going to get you high, but it does have tons and tons of medical benefits. It's known to help with anxiety. It's known to help with acne. It's known to help with pain. And so here in TLC, we offer a full line of CBD products and health products to help you and aid you into better health, right? And so with our CBD product, right, I have one more that I want to share with you really quickly. We also have our Alleviate. Now, our Alleviate is our topical cream, right? So it's going to rub on, right, any of the areas of pain. and it's going to almost immediately start to attack the pain area, and you'll begin to feel the pain subside. Now, we have over 40 different products, and for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go over everything, but just understand this. You will now be in position to get your entire website set up. It's a one-time fee of $49, right? Once you pay your $49, you then can get started with any one or two of our products, right? Because quite frankly, we don't want you out here selling a dream looking like a nightmare, right? We want you to be a true testimony of our product. So when you purchase your product and you decide to get started with us in business, you're going to get your business in a box. We call it drop shipping. So what happens is TLC is going to ship the products on your behalf to that client. They're going to drop ship the product to your client, and they're going to send you the paycheck. Here in TLC, our retail works really, really simple. Every single time someone makes a purchase from your website, you're going to earn a commission every single day. That is phenomenal. Not only that, we have another way of pay, which is where anytime you introduce someone into this Total Life Changes opportunity, they want to work from home, they want to supplement their income, they decide to get started with you, and you're going to earn $20 to $60 for introducing that person into the business. So listen, my name is Darryl Drake. I am a $1 million earner here with TLC. I've coached dozens and dozens of students into a six-figure income, financial freedom, and I'm happy to be the first to welcome you to the team. Go ahead and follow the 1000 Families page. Follow me, Darryl Drake, on Instagram. And of course, whoever showed you this video, make sure you follow them and listen to what they have to say, because more times than not, they are plugged into someone that is making it happen here in Total Life Changes. So you guys have a great day. I look forward to working with each and every one of you guys. Take care, take charge. And I'll see each and every one of you guys at the top, because the bottom is just way too crowded. Bye-bye.